This is a meeting between the National Payment Systems Division and the Supervision's Banking Sector Section Division meeting, where the National Payment Systems officers are supposed to explain or give an overview of whether the market is ready for interoperability between the mobile network operators and bank interoperability. Just to give a brief definition of what interoperability is, it's an interconnection between platforms, allowing for exchange of value between two systems. And in this case, like we said, we're going to mainly focus on account-to-account interoperability. In particular, the ability to transfer money between one's mobile money account, that is the e-wallet, and the bank account. So when we're talking about whether or not, or we have to assess whether the market is mature enough for interoperability, we're going to have to focus or talk about three main factors. These are whether there seems to be a conducive regulation that enables stable innovation as far as competition and issues such as those, to ensure that mobile money is provided open playing fields. And in this case, we can attest to that based on the fact that both regulators, being the Central Bank of Lesotho and the Lesotho Communications Authority, have signed a memorandum of understanding to say that yes, indeed, they will be working together to ensure that there is provision where there is necessity to do so for mobile money to take off. And then from there, there's two network operators in the country, and they're both doing very well in their own rights. From there, we then move on to whether or not there seems to be provider maturity, looking at the extent to which there is investment in mobile money in Lesotho. And with regard to that, we've realized that the business seems to be growing. Just to give you a quick overview of the first quarter of 2016, where there was an increase from 1.5 million subscribers to 1.7 million subscribers, and this was in the first quarter of 2016. From there, whether there seems to be willingness from the provider side to prioritize interoperability, and we focusing on areas such as whether there seems to be focus on interoperability, and indeed there has been negotiations between the two, both MNOs with the trustee account holders especially, to say that let's pilot to see whether or not there could be interoperability, in the sense that at least there should be connection between the wallet movement from the bank account into the wallet. So now we want to achieve movement from the wallet into the bank account. Thank you so much.